All right, so let's start breaking it down. We're going to be doing work. Let's talk about the categories of work. All right, bullet list right here on the screen. Obviously, we want to spend all of our time working on new software, but then there's other stuff we got to do. We got to diagnose or fix some past work that we thought was done, something that got kicked back, or we have to fix something that happened in the production environment. Then there's other stuff around the company, administrative, non-software work, company picnic. I mean, all kinds of other things you might have to do. That's not an overall staff meeting or whatnot. And then of course we're all going to take vacation. That's time off, sick days. We're not at work. So those are the 5 categories. Now, working on the new software, we want to maximize the effort there. We want all of our team to be working on new software. This is where we build new features, we make important changes, enhance features so that those features work even better. This is the only thing that our external customers are asking for. They think that the software team spends all of its time in this category, and in reality, some of our teams struggle to get time to work in this category because of so many distractions. Okay, let's dive into the other ones. The reworking past work that we thought was done. This is the broad category where you could throw in all bugs, all defects that you've caught before production. And it includes everything that you might do. Everything that you do in this category is absolute waste. It really is. It's waste work. This is where we might realize that something is broken. Something that we thought was done, not actually done. Software that was supposed to work in a certain way, it doesn't. Or maybe something was missed, whereas it was coded up exactly the way that it was supposed to, but then the person doing the analysis work remembered something or realized, oh, that's not going to work after all. Well, we still can't ship it. We got to rework something. Or maybe there's performance problems. Maybe we didn't count on some database tables growing to a size that they've grown to. Maybe we're spending time figuring out why we have that problem. And then once we've reproduced the problem, then we're trying to redesign something in the software so that we fix the problem. And of course, we lament that we didn't catch this problem earlier. Or maybe we just made a change and something else in a seemingly unrelated part of the software just broke. Wait a minute, that's impossible. How did that happen? We don't understand how that could possibly happen. Third category is the production stuff. Something happened in production. All right. There's no features or build breaks or bug reports from UAT testing. This category is all about time spent investigating an issue from production. And maybe a user submits a trouble ticket, or a piece of the software system goes down and has to be restarted, or a user has questions that were escalated to second level support. Not only do we have to spend the time to figure out if it's just maybe user education that accidentally made it to the software team's queue, but we have to spend time to learn about the part of the issue that may be a genuine problem that has to be solved by engineering. Part of this work is properly equipping our own company's customer support team with a better knowledge base so that they can handle more basic customer issues and not escalate so many times. The fourth category, just to kind of jump through, rebooting computers because a bunch of updates forcibly installed themselves. That's administrative work. It's something that distracted me from working on the software. All right, so these things can cause us to stop making forward progress. Production is, we ran into a tree. And then bugs is maybe I fell down and I'm cleaning the mud from my handlebars. We always want to continually move forward.